With fears of new clusters in the city, the government is extending the ban on large public gatherings. With the re-emergence of infection clusters, the ban on gatherings of more than 8 people will remain in force for another 2 weeks. Other social distancing restrictions for eateries will be extended until June 18th. Health Chief Sophia Chan dismissed allegations the decision was politically motivated to stem more street protests.
The different extension is really based on public health grounds. As you can see from the local cluster that have been developed 2 days ago. So that was something that is not planned, but then we have to deal with it in terms of being a responsible, public health department.
Meanwhile, the 2-week quarantine mandate for foreigners entering the SAR will be extended 3 more months until September. For those entering from the mainland, Macau and Taiwan, the order will last through the first week of July. Experts at HKU say it's better to err on the side of caution.
Clusters that we saw were often in restaurants and bars, and those locations, if there was an unrecognized case who turns out to be highly contagious, if we can stop that from happening, it would do really a lot of good. And so that means preventing those large indoor gatherings.
The university's medical team combed through more than 1,000 COVID-19 cases in Hong Kong. They found the reproduction rate among local cases is inching towards 2, meaning each carrier can infect 2 others. That's the highest rate since the beginning of the pandemic in Hong Kong. Researchers are not ruling out the potential of a second wave.
And I don't think we have been lucky enough to identify every infection that's currently occurred in Hong Kong. There may well be a handful of others. And given that we've relaxed the public health measures, we would anticipate that there could be more clusters emerging, more cases emerging in the coming 1 to 2 to 3 weeks.
He warns the public should remain vigilant until vaccines are developed.